And there's still so much more space left for more stuff. Like the back seat, for example, so much more space. Today we're taking the Fit on a little road trip, going up north just for a little getaway with a bunch of friends. This is the perfect car for that, honestly. It's so good on gas. There's so much room. So I torqued down all the wheels just to make sure, you know, because I'm going pretty far. It's like a 2-hour drive. Full tank of gas. It has been raining the past few days, so it is, you know, a little bit dirty. I do want to get it clean, but it's a daily. What can you do? I'm super excited. Yeah, definitely a little vacation, but man, this car is doing well. I'm telling you, perfect daily you can buy for the price too. All right, well, it's been about a week since I last picked up the camera. I didn't film much at the little getaway with my friends just because, you know, it was fun times. I didn't want to put a camera up in anyone's faces, and it was just really a small get together and just a lot of fun. So good vibes, you know? So anyways, the car is so dirty from that little trip just because it did snow, and yeah, I'm gonna give it a quick little wash. And there you have it, nice and clean. I want to get something for these headlights. I'm gonna see if I can do that now. They're pretty foggy, so there's some kits you can buy in the market that, you know, what, 30 bucks, that you can restore these headlights. So I'm gonna do that because you can see there is a bit of a fog, a bit of a haze over them. But yeah, let's go do it. Man, she is looking clean. Okay, so we picked up the Meguiar's 2-step restoration kit. This should hopefully help those headlights become clear. So here's a little before. All right. I think this is all that we need. Painter's tape to mask everything off, some isopropyl alcohol, and a little rag. So let's get to it. I honestly have no idea what I'm doing. I just picked one, and I know Meguiar's is good. Oh, let's hope it's good. And the last part up here. Boom, done. First, let me read the instructions. Give me a quick second here. All right, let's open this up and take a look and see. Again, this is the Meguiar's 2-step headlight restoration kit. I have never used this before. I just saw it. I know I like Meguiar's. We got 2 Scotch-Brite pads. We have the headlight coat. I believe this is it. This is the like compound type thing, I think, that it uses. This is what removes the oxidation essentially. So let's give this a try. I really hope this works. Oh man, I'm nervous, but it should be fine, right? First thing I'm gonna do is clean it with some alcohol. Okay, so it says here the first step is to shake well before use. Squeeze a quarter size amount on the cleaning pad provided. Use a back and forth motion. Shake well. Yeah, boy. Let's give this a try here. So, okay, that's done. All right, that should be good. And just go back and forth as per the instructions. Damn, this is hard to grip. That's what she said. So, do I just keep doing this? All right, let me just keep going. Did I use too much? Oh, that's the result that you want. This makes sense. This is the frosted look. Oh, I think I might have put too much on. All right, look at that. All right, progress. Okay, okay. Okay, sick. Whoa, don't scratch the paint. Okay. Y'all, if you do this, be careful not to scratch your paint. Make sure you mask it up really well. Don't do a half-assed job like me because you can scratch your paint really easily doing this. If y'all attempt to do this. Wet cloth. Wet. Ooh. It's not perfect, but it's better. Like there's still some more in the center, like right here. It's still pretty bad. So I guess theoretically I should do it again then, no? I will do right here again because here's bad. Here's the worst. So progress, but I'll put more compound. I still see, I think it's oxidation. Yeah, still see it through there. Again, like, see, like it looks better, but you can still see on the glass, it's slightly oxidized still. I think that's the best I can get it. We'll see in a bit. It's still looks like it hasn't really done much. So let's try putting the coating on and see if that helps. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but it's still kind of hazy, you know? Like there. It's okay, it's a can, all right. Oh God, all right, let's see what happens. Oh shit. This thing smells like ass, by the way, guys. It looks better. Okay, not bad. Holy shit. But it's still that center part. It's still... Yeah. It's that center part there that's still pretty bad. I don't know. But honestly, that does look better initially. Exceeded my expectations. All right, let's, I guess I'll move on to the next one. Give that one a try. I'm actually surprised with how good it looks because if you look at that and then look at this one, there's actually a pretty big difference. Like it's clearer here, but there's just still some oxidization. There's just still some bits. Yeah, see right there on the camera, you can kind of see it. It's not perfect. Doesn't seem to have it as bad, so I'm assuming this one will turn out better than that one, but this is still pretty good. And for 30 bucks, I'll take it. So I don't have to replace the whole headlight or anything like that, so it's not bad. But I am surprised with how good it turned out, even though it didn't miss this spot there. I'm still happy with this result for 30 bucks. I can't complain. All right, let's go mask up that one and work on that one. So already I can say is the one thing I don't like about this kit is that these pads are pretty bad. The compound actually started coming through the pad after like a few uses of it, not even like 5 times of just strictly rubbing it. Just kind of, yeah, I don't like these pads. They do come with 2 pads, but it's like, it's a one set of headlights and that's it. So I guess that's what it's designed for. All right, that's a lot of elbow grease. All right, so it's been 5 minutes and it already looks a lot better. Yeah, honestly, it looks way better than I thought. I'm just gonna spray this side one more time and call it a day. So it's better than it was before, but it's not perfect. There's still some oxidation left. Maybe if I went again with the compound, it would be better. But, you know, if only 2 steps, it's not bad. I think what I should have done was buy the heavy duty one. I know Meguiar's has one that's called heavy duty. I may look into that in the future, but this does look a lot better than it was originally. Something is satisfying about taking off tape like that. Oh. The car still has a cataract. Only health people get that joke. Maybe it's the angle I'm looking at, but no, that looks better, honestly. Not as clear as that headlight, but it'll do. Yeah, looks better. Overall, not that bad. It wasn't like amazing. It's not as clear as that, like a brand new one. Like it looks like it's like, oh my God, it's brand new. This one had some pretty bad oxidation on this lens. That one not so much. So I know that Meguiar's does make a heavy duty one. I kind of wish I got that one now. I didn't know that counted as bad, I guess, in a way. But, $30 for this, not bad. I would rate it a 6.9 out of 10, just because it wasn't 100% clear, like there, see? But everything else around it looks really good. Like that looks brand new. Like this side looks brand new, but this still is a little bit off. I wonder if I'll make my headlights any better. That actually does look a lot brighter. Oh my God. Wow. Wait, why is one higher than the... All right, I'll fix that. But what? I never knew that. I guess because it was so dirty that I didn't know this one was higher than the other one. I'll have to fix that. But actually, that's surprising because I didn't think it'd make any of a difference. Ooh, GTR stock exhaust. Wow, I'm pretty shook about that. Stay tuned for the next video. I ordered an intake. I'm excited for that. And Apple CarPlay for the Honda Fit. So I'm excited to install those and make a video. I'm hyped. It's coming along. It already looks a lot better with those headlights. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button for me. Do your boy a favor. Leave a comment. Anything, what you like, don't like. I'll reply no matter what. Have a good one. Drive safe. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.